Hello guys, welcome back. Today I will review the best ultrasonic jewelry cleaner with discount coupon codes, its pros and cons, and special features. You will get a maximum discount if you purchase the product using a coupon code. So let's start our review today.
The Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a portable, professional cleaning device designed for effortless maintenance of your delicate accessories like eyeglasses, watches, rings, and even razor blades. Equipped with 50W power and a 650 ml 22 ounces tank, this cleaner uses high-frequency ultrasonic waves at 53 kHz to remove dirt, grime, and residues from your valuables, ensuring a deep and thorough cleaning. Positive aspects: powerful cleaning. The 53 kHz ultrasonic frequency effectively cleans intricate details without damaging delicate items like jewelry and watches. Large capacity. The 650 ml tank is spacious enough to accommodate multiple items at once, saving time and energy. Energy efficient. With 50W power, it offers an energy-efficient solution to cleaning without compromising on performance. Versatile usage. It works well on a variety of items, including eyeglasses, rings, watches, and even razors, making it highly versatile. Portable and compact. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to store and carry, ideal for both home use and travel. Special features: 53 kHz ultrasonic technology provides thorough cleaning by producing millions of microscopic bubbles that reach even the most intricate areas. 650 ml capacity allows for cleaning multiple items at once, making it convenient for frequent use. Stainless steel tank, durable and corrosion-resistant, ensuring longevity of the cleaner. Quiet operation, designed to operate with minimal noise, allowing for a more pleasant user experience. User-friendly design, with easy-to-use controls, even beginners can operate it without difficulty. How to use: fill the tank, add water to the 650 ml stainless steel tank, filling it up to the recommended level. Add cleaning solution, optional for tougher grime or more delicate items. You can add a few drops of a mild cleaning solution. Place items in the tank. Place your jewelry, watches, or other items in the cleaner, making sure they are fully submerged. Start the cleaner. Choose the appropriate cleaning time, if adjustable, and start the ultrasonic cleaner. Wait for cleaning. The ultrasonic waves will clean the items, usually within 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse and dry. After the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the items, rinse them with clean water, and dry them thoroughly with a soft cloth. The Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner is a powerful yet user-friendly solution for keeping your delicate accessories sparkling clean. With its versatile use, compact design, and advanced ultrasonic technology, it offers an efficient way to maintain your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and more.